So we should give them to you?
Exactly.
Okay, look, here's what we're gonna do. I will take the mirror key, and I'll take the brainy key.
Head key.
Sure. Key?
She comes back.
What if it's too late?
No, that's my laptop.
Marky Mark. You knew I'd be coming, didn't you?
Hey, lady. Where'd you come from?
Where'd you get that key?
Don't worry about it.
Were there any others? Perhaps one in the shape of a head?
No. Why?
I'll show you mine if you show me yours. Where's your key?
It's a lighter. Save some of yours.
Okay. You insist.
Whoa, what the hell? Hey!
Does anybody else want to see? Go! Go!
Hey, how's it going? Me and the Jules wanted to thank you for all your hard work yesterday. So, what?
Oh my god, Band of Horses tickets?
Yeah, well, no, not exactly. It's a local Band of Horses cover.
Cover Band of Horses.
Yeah, Masson isn't exactly a hotbed of culture. But we do actually get some pretty good cover bands. We've got Novemberists, the Cutie, Nirvana. You know, it's a near